How to make money online with a successful e-commerce business in 2023. With the digital world evolving at warp speed, it's crucial to stay updated and adapt. So let's dive in, keep it simple, and turn those dreams into dollars. The first step in launching a successful e-commerce business is to choose your niche. Think of it as finding your unique flavor in a sea of ice cream. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, whether it's eco-friendly products, pet accessories, or quick resocks. Remember, passion will keep you going even when the going gets tough. Now let's talk about market research, the secret sauce to success. You would not bake cookies without checking the recipe first, right? Similarly, you need to understand your market, your competitors, and your potential customers. This step will help you identify trends and gaps in the market. Imagine you're into selling vintage vinyl records. Check out what's selling like hotcakes, what's rare, and what collectors are crazy about. That knowledge will be your guiding star. Every successful venture needs a roadmap, and your e-commerce business is no different. Craft a detailed business plan that includes your niche, target audience, revenue model, and marketing strategy. A well-thought-out plan will keep you on the right path and help secure investments or loans if needed. Now, choosing your platform. From Shopify to WooCommerce, you have plenty of options to set up your online store. Pick one that aligns with your business goals and is user-friendly. It's like choosing a perfect stage for your show. Your website is your virtual storefront. Make it shine. Ensure it's visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for mobile devices. High quality images, catchy product descriptions, and customer reviews are essential to create shopping experience that keeps visitors coming back. Think about Lucy, who is passionate about homemade soap. Her beautifully designed website not only showcases her products but also tells the story behind each bar of soap, connecting with her customers on a personal level. Decide how you will source your products. Will you make them yourself, drop ship, or buy wholesale? Managing inventory efficiently is crucial. You don't want to disappoint customers by running out of stock or having a warehouse filled with unsold items. Time to get your e-commerce business out there. Use social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your audience. Collaborate with influencers, run ad campaigns, and optimize your website for search engines. Remember, marketing is the engine that drives sales. Think about Lisa, who sells custom clothing online. She leveraged Instagram influencer to showcase her products, and it paid off big time with a surge in sales and brand recognition. Customer service is your golden ticket. Offer prompt, helpful, and friendly support. Remember, a happy customer is a returning customer, and they might even refer their friends. The e-commerce world evolves. Keep an eye on your analytics. Understand what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies accordingly. Be open to change and stay ahead of the curve. There you have it, a recipe for starting a successful e-commerce business and make money online. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your business flourish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in the future. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your e-commerce journey.